All right, here we go. So we're gonna pick up where we left off yesterday with doing our potential road vertical function. Looks like we've got column 1, 2, and 3, and we're about to build up 4. So what that looks like is we'll have a pink all the way to the right, but only for this column, and this column. Right now, we cannot build a pink going to the right from 4th or 5th column. Now the sound is all jacked up. I don't know why. But I don't know what I can do to fix that. But let's go ahead and see what our I4 logic is like. So our column 4 logic looks something like well, we're checking the 3 spaces to the left and then the 1 space to the right. So we got to do that for both colors. So let's go check the left columns, right? First thing we gotta ask is, say, if our grid at this row and this column is a potential road. So yeah, we need one more here. Yep, just like this. And then we say, so we have to check the 3 to the left of us to build out that way. And then we've got to build I+1 as well. So, yep. Okay, so this builds out the road to the left, and then we need to build out the road to the right. Right here. Say, if the row +1 to the row to the right of us, base plus, okay. But we need an end. Really? Come on, dude. End is missing somewhere. We need it right here. Come on, dude. What is going on up here? I don't know what it's missing, dude. I don't know what it's missing. It wants, actually. I know. What's that? And this actually. Something like that, maybe? Okay, so now we should build out stones to the right. Stones to the left. Nice. Okay. So now we just need to do this for black. So we can... My bad. Okay. Then we also want to top. I don't know why it sounds like that, but... Okay. I don't know how it's checking the bottom fuel already. No, that makes sense. If we've got any one directly beneath us, we actually go ahead and match it right away. What the heck? How did that happen? Okay. We're almost done here. We just have our fifth column to do. Which all we do is check the previous one, and that's it. We check the one to the left of us, the one to the left of that, one to the left of that, and one to the left of that. Easy enough. So we know we need this, except in else if 5, right here. Else if I is equal to 5, then we're going to go ahead and take this. We just need to check one more grid to the left of this one. So before I do this, I'm going to check out if we can build a white to the left in column 5. We cannot. So the goal of this chunk of code is to connect this left with any vertical match on that 5th column. So we're asking if it's a road white. We're checking the one to the left of us, and then the one left of us, and the one to the left of us, and then the one to the left of us. And we can say this is a 4, Then we find 3, replace 4. This is wrong. This is wrong. There we go. And that means we were wrong up here. In 2 places. This should be a 3. And this should be 3. Okay. Okay. So we've got white. Let's see if white is working for us. Okay. It looks like we are able to build out the lights across from column 5, so that's good. Now we just need black. And then we're done with this. You guys, this is like the last hall. Substitute white for black. And then I want to also substitute the strings. So we say substitute all caps white with all caps black. And then come on. Okay, now black should be built out just like white was. Yep, and then all the way to the left as well. Okay guys, we got it. We've got both of our wind detections here. So if it is a vertical, if we're running, whenever we update a stone occupant on the grid, whether it be from placing a stone or from ending a turn, anytime we do that, we need to ask, hey, is there a road for either player? So we've got these functions, determine road, horizontal, or it's actually potential road, horizontal, potential road, vertical. We run those on all the columns. And if the last column, the last column of our horizontal wind detect has a stone control of any color, there is a win. And if there is a stone occupant in any of our potential roads in our 5th row of our vertical potential road function, if there's a road that is a potential road in that 5th row, then we are in fact a win. So now we need to just need to determine what we want to actually do with that information, right? So I'll look at this. We've already got a little booleans for winning. So we're cycling through all the rows of our horizontal, checking for a white win with a potential road horizontal boolean. Okay. And then it's not grid at 5, it's that we only want to ask, oh no, yeah, I guess we do want to check every row of our 5th column, yeah. But then we want to also do this for our potential road verticals. So that's going to be something like, well, we can either make this a whole wind detect and just do both. Yeah. We just collapse this ugly beast and then collapse his ugly beast brother. Code start is fine. Okay. I'm going to be updating my NeoVim to the stable release, I think, and maybe that'll fix some of the folding issues I've been having, but I'm just going to kind of collapse a bunch of these again and resave our folds. At least that much worth. Okay. So we've got a horizontal wind detect. Are we actually running this? No, we are not. So why don't we go ahead and just call this wind detect period. Wind detect. And then all that is we just want the person who won to be marked to win. Okay. So I guess now we need to cycle through, for our verticals, we need to cycle through every column of our last. So we need to say if grid, and we're trying to modify our last row. So our 5th row, iterating through all the columns. If any of those columns of our 5th row has a potential road of white, oopsie, horizontal, no, vertical. Potential road white, vertical. Then we're gonna go ahead, and at that point we would say white wins. The white wins gets true. And then we can also add the black road, black, then black wins. Okay. So now the hard part is first, let's just see if these are working right. Let's see if they mark true by the time we are actually winning. So let's just print them up. We'll print them up right here on our debug 3. We'll say that this is white wins. White win. Then we would to white wins. And then we would want black wins. Okay. Now we need this at 9 and 10, so we'll just do that. Actually, this, and then is that debug 3? Okay. So we're detecting a win now. Let's see if we go straight across if it detects a win for white. It is not. We do have, actually, oh, on our debug 4 we should have those options. Okay. code isn't working here. Well, our winds is just sitting at false, yeah? Yeah. We try to build it out like this. Wind is false. If we try to build it out like this, wind is false. So we're not, oh, you know what? We're not actually doing anything with our wind. We're not actually calling this wind detect. What just happened there? What the heck, bruh? Okay. Right there, let's find our wind. Let's go actually use this function now. Yes. Wind detect, that's all it is. We just need a wind detect. So when we place a stone, we need a wind detect. So let's say when we're doing our, I don't know, flush. Yeah, we'd want to do a wind detect right here. And then we also want to do it upon a player swap. So if we're going to that player swap grid function, yes, but where we are here, then go into here and do it. We're gonna wind detect. And then, right now that isn't flushing anything. Probably should flush it first. We can do that, so. Right here, we're gonna say, first of all, first thing we're gonna do is flush our old variables, and then we're going to populate them if they are true, and then cache a false. Okay. Now we might have a win vertically right here. Come on, true. Yes. White one. Black one, which, you know, it shouldn't be possible, but we detected a white win. So let's go for a crazy white vertical and see if it detects a win. So this is technically a white vertical. Connect. And then white wins because it detected a vertical. And then black would win if we get it right here, which is true. But then look, if we actually move, if we move our, no? There we go. We can move this here. It flushed our black win. And then if we move right here, it should flush our pink win, which, oh, we still have a pink win here, so if we take, well, yeah, it's hard to do it because I already, there we go. And then if I eat up all of these, oopsie. Okay. I think we got it, guys. I mean, at least, you know, using these booleans, using these, and I'm assuming, actually, let's see if we can build out the horizontal win. Let's just go see that. White wins or black wins? Oh, yeah, so either way, okay. So look, if we build out a weird road horizontally for white, we should become a white win, and we do. That's awesome. That's awesome. And then I'm assuming that if we were to have a standing stone and we were to move that standing stone on top of our wall, it would cease us to be true of a win, which is the case. And the potential road turns off, so it doesn't highlight it. And then if we were to move that standing stone off, it would work. But then if we were to move a black stone on top, it would turn it back off, which it does. And then if we were to have a capstone move on top of it, it should go back to pink, and it does, determining a white win. And then let's just, for fun, take a capstone and crush. Oh, look at that! That one just won that way. Black is win 2 now. But now we can actually crush stone just like that. Hell yeah, dude! This is awesome. This is basically it. What we need to do now is, if we determine one of those wins, we need a lock input for the character so that you can't just keep playing. It needs to register some text to the screen saying player 1-1. Then it needs to do some sort of counting. Yeah, some sort of counting points. And then a sort of a best of 3 maybe, where it says like game 1 goes to, you know, whatever. That's gonna be cool. That's awesome and huge and great. So let's take a look here at what we did. In our git diff, we added a win detect function. We took out our notes. We added the rest of our potential road vertical function. We built that out and got it working. These are just comments we took out. Those are just the updated logic. Then we've got a win detect that we're running both vertically and horizontally on both colors to modify our win detect booleans, and we also flush those upon running it, and then we run it upon a placement of a stone and a player swap of a stone. Or player swap function call. Cool. I'm gonna add everything to the staging area with a commit message saying finished. Finished horizontal and vertical win detection. That's huge. That's the last big part of this game. This is the last big part, you guys. So once we figure out how to use those booleans to toggle a sort of state within our play state to halt the placement of any stones or the moving of any stones, they have to acknowledge the player 1. Then it'll tally up the points and put them in the score box somewhere, I'm thinking. And then we can work on some more potential crashes, you know, some debugging. And then we can polish it up and then release it and move back to Joust. I was thinking this was going to take me less than a month, and it has taken me 4. I'm just about done though. I'm just about done. We've got win detect. We just need to do something with it now, and then we're done. Then we just need to update our programmer art if we want, polish it up a bit. There's another feature where the first player places the second player's stone. You know, the first 2 moves are placing the other person's stone, and then you move. So I might add another instruction set for that move, because we just need to make it so that the very first 2 moves are placing the other person's stones. So white will place a black stone, black will place a white stone, and then it'll switch back to normal. So we'll have to do that, and then do our point tally, and then do some sort of best of 3 final win state or something, and then We can worry about polishing it up and then publishing it. If you want to play this, all you have to do is download Love 2D and then go to my GitHub. I'll just even show you. So like if you go to my GitHub here, jakubins/tac.git, you can either clone this whole repo to your machine, or you can just download the zip right here. Download zip. And then if you want to play it, literally all you have to do is you have that zip downloaded. You unzip it. You make sure a main.lua is in that folder, which it will be. And then you run this on Love. Love is not in my tray here. Let me just... Love 2D. I don't even have it. I know I've got it installed. I run it, but I was trying to show you how easy it is. But here, if I've got this pinned, where is this? Well, not so easy. I was going to show you how easy it was. For me, I just run love dot, but Love is an open source game engine, so you can go to love2d.org or whatever it is and download that game engine, and then you can just run it. I have it in my I have it on my system already, just not the app version. Like I can just run it here from the terminal. All I gotta do is be in my folder and run Love, and then I'll be able to play it. But you guys should be able to play it too if you want. At any state, you guys can come in here and not this, but if you do a, come on, what is it? Get log. Yeah, that's one version. Here, I've got this one. Yeah. So look at all these commits. You guys can restore the project to any one of these commits. Wow. Yeah, started 4 months ago. Almost done though. Just took me 4 months. And then, yeah, you can run love dot. I'm wondering why this one isn't. Yeah, that's just really slow. Maybe it's in my... Nope. Really don't have it. Okay. Well, I'll stop wasting my time. I mean, that was huge. That was it. That was everything. We got the wind detect, so we're basically just... oh, look, it's been installed now. I can show you. Quit this. I'm gonna minimize this. Where is our love? Where's the love, y'all? Come on. I don't know. Where's the truth, y'all? I don't know. Shoot, okay. I gotta get going. Love still isn't here. Okay, whatever. I'll catch you guys tomorrow and we'll finish up, hopefully, the last part of our game.